Rivers, which were the cradle of ancient human civilizations in the past, are the arteries between cities and towns today. Rivers play an important role in aquaculture, planting, providing inhabit, shipping. All the cities have a mother river and they depend on rivers for their birth and expansion. Cities in the lower reaches of Chinese rivers are more developed. 1/2 of the country's population, 1/3 of its arable land and 70% of its industrial and agricultural output are concentrated. The development of the city has gone through 3 stages, and the function of the river and the urban-rural relations have changed accordingly. The relationship between urban and rural areas has changed from the same, to separate and oppose, to urban encroachment on rural areas. Food self-sufficiency in developed cities is too low to meet the needs of the population. Area of river decreases, and many problems occur. How to build a new prototype of urban-rural integration? We advanced urban-rural integration by designing modular multifunctional bridges that revive the river's original mission and role. Firstly, we analyzed the geological types of different river basins, summarized the urban functional texture, graded the 6 attributes of the region, and do adaptive design of bridges for 6 types of typical sites. Then, we determined the proportion of each module and build bridges according to 6 attributes of the area. For instance, the bridges in residential areas are mainly made up of service modules. We also evaluated the education, business, green, industrial and transportation districts. We designed 4 different types of modules: planting modules, energy modules, service modules, transportation modules. Our bridges involve several systems, of which the 3 most distinctive systems are the food processing system, the energy production system and the purification system. The value of the river is fully exploited, and traditional agriculture is folded into a mechanical production system with more efficient production capacity and a more complete planting and trading chain, depending on the river landscape and bridge structure. Based on a comprehensive assessment of the social, ecological, and cultural impacts of the bridge, we created a bridge fitness formula to score the 6 target cities. The relationship between the city and the countryside becomes closer by folded planting landscapes bridges. The introduction of planting space in the crowded cities will increase residents' participation and improve the urban grain self-sufficiency rate. We can use the wind and water power to generate a certain amount of electricity through the bridge and solve part of the energy supply problem of the city. People around the bridge can read, exercise, shop and do nucleic acid in the bridge, and their quality of lives will be greatly improved. Urban agriculture relying on rivers is folded on bridges and become a natural carrier of the integration of urban and rural areas.